Hi everyone and welcome to another Paddocks Club video tutorial. Recently, one of the Paddocks Club members asked a question on how to count votes in number. Antoine and I had a long discussion on the topic, and this video was born. One of the innovations of the new sectional title legislation is that the vote for an ordinary resolution is calculated in vote value, not in number as was the case previously. Now, the only time the vote in number is counted is in taking a special resolution and in establishing the quorum for a meeting at which a unanimous resolution is to be considered. However, it has become apparent that calculating the vote in number is not as easily understood as it seems at first glance. We have to bear in mind the innovation in this legislation that a member of a body corporate exercises the vote value of all the sections in the scheme he or she might own, but only has one vote in number. Therefore, for the vote in value, the denominator is the total vote value exercised at the meeting. But for the vote in number, the denominator is the total of the votes in number exercised at the meeting. So it is affected by members owning more than one section. A point to remember is that the required majority is of the votes actually cast. In the case of a special resolution, at least 75%, not of the total value of votes that could be cast at the meeting. While unusual, it is possible for one or more members at a meeting to choose not to vote. If members abstain from voting, the value of their vote is ignored. So when counting the vote number, the majority required is of the number of votes actually cast, bearing in mind that owners who own more than one section still only have one vote. Here's an example. Say there are 50 units in a scheme and owners of 30 units attend a meeting at which a special resolution is to be considered. 5 of those owners own 2 sections each. All of the owners vote. That means that the total of the votes in number is 25 and not 30, because 5 of the owners are only entitled to exercise one vote, even though they each own 2 sections. The vote in value required to pass the resolution is at least 75% of the vote value exercised by all the owners present. The vote in number is at least 75% of 25, which is the number of votes that the owners present together exercise. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial and will find the information helpful. If you have any queries in this regard, please place them on the discussion forum. Thanks for watching and goodbye.